Hey guys, 2018 is almost behind us, and 2019 is right around the corner. And many of you are wondering, hey, what's the best sector? What's the best stock to get into for 2019? Many of you are repositioning your portfolios right now. Well, in today's video, I'm going to show you the best sector and the best stocks to get into for 2019 and give you buy levels as well. Stay tuned. All right, we're back in the lab, and today we're going to talk about cannabis or marijuana. Believe it or not, but I believe that cannabis or marijuana is going to take over 2019. I think it's going to be bigger than it was in 2017 and 2018. And here's why. There's three major reasons why I believe that this sector or this industry, it's not really a sector, it's an industry, is going to be exploding. And I mean exploding. Here's the first reason. I don't know if you picked up on this just a few days ago, but December 7th was a big announcement. Altria, which is the maker of Marlboro, is buying a huge stake in a Canadian marijuana company, Cronos Group, $2.4 billion investment. That's the biggest investment a U.S. company has made in the marijuana business, and I think this is going to be explosive. Cigarette and tobacco companies are very big lobbyists for law. And now that Marlboro or Altria has an interest in this company, they're going to be doing everything possible to make marijuana or cannabis legal in the United States. They're going to be vested in it. So this is going to be huge, and this just happened a few days ago. Now, the second reason is this. Right now, the market's being driven by global tension, okay? There's a lot of tension between China and U.S. over the trade conflict. Tariffs are a major issue, and I believe they're going to hinder stocks till about June, maybe July of next year. And that's going to cause blue chip stocks and tech stocks to soften and see a bunch of unforeseeable trading action. There's nothing worse for the market than unforeseeability. And when you have a U.S.-China trade conflict, it's going to cause a big damper. There's going to be a big wet napkin on the market. We're going to see a lot of volatility and not a lot of directional movement. Now, marijuana or cannabis is restricted to U.S. right now, and we have so much growth in the U.S. that these industries can maintain themselves for years and years on end without having any type of exposure from imports or exports. So this industry should not be impacted. Other industries won't be impacted as much either, like the healthcare industry, but this is a growth industry and it has the most potential to really move. And finally, there's a lot of acceptance around the globe for marijuana, either medical or recreational. You could see here Chicago, New York, California, even Thailand is legalizing or talking about legalizing marijuana. Uruguay just legalized marijuana. There's a major push around the globe for marijuana these days, and I believe it's only going to increase as we get into 2019 and beyond. So, how do you take advantage of this movement, of this industry? The best way to do it is with an ETF. An ETF is an exchange-traded fund. It combines a basket of different marijuana stocks. Right now, the Alternative Harvest ETF, its ticker symbol is MJ, is trading below the 200-day moving average. What you do is wait till price moves above the 200-day moving average. I would wait for price to get above 31.50, 31.60, around that level, and hold that level for a few days. Once you're in, I would put a protective stop right above the $25 level, right below that swing low that you see here that occurred about 4 or 5 days ago. So I would put a stop loss right above 25, and I would enter above the 31.30 level. That's the 200-day moving average. That would be the buy and the sell zone right away. Now, if you want to speculate a little more, these are the three of the biggest stocks in that sector: Crown, Tilray, and Canopy Growth Corp. And if you're going to be buying individual cannabis stocks, I recommend you focus on these three. There's a lot of speculative stocks right now in this industry, but these three tend to be the biggest ones, and they have the biggest market share in this ETF. So these are the ones you want to focus on, okay? So again, the top industry is marijuana, the top ETF is MJ, and the top three stocks are Cronos, Tilray, and Canopy. Now, I know many of you have been following me for quite some time, and we got about 10,000 new readers over the last few weeks. And the main question on everybody's mind is, Roger, how do we get started with your systems and strategies? So I went ahead and posted 2 links below this video for you to check out. One is my double trigger strategy, which is literally $7 to get started. It's a great first step if you're serious about trading the right way, and you're going to learn one of the most fundamental methods that helped me make big money in the markets, many years consistently. I've also added a link for a recording of a training that I held last week on the momentum factor strategy. It's the same strategy that could have made you 363 times your money over the last decade. Literally turning a $10,000 account into over $3.5 million. If you're looking for one of my most powerful strategies and looking for aggressive gains, look no further. I won't spend too much time talking about the momentum factor now because the 2-hour class I've linked below tells you everything you could possibly want to know. That's all for now. Just wanted to give you a few resources if you want to take your trading to the next level. Please follow the 2 links below this video. Talk soon.